Hi guys, good morning everyone. Hello all. Am I audible to everyone? Can I get the responses please? Is my screen visible? Hi Nukala, Divakar. All right. So am I audible to Divakar now? All right. No guys, actually I was waiting. Yeah, I was waiting for some time so that the other candidates can get joined here. Okay. So see guys how it's happening. I'll tell you. Okay. we are we are doing with demo classes these days, right? So I'm giving some time, some what I can say, grace time, okay, for others to join, like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and I sincerely request everyone to join the class on time. Okay, please join the class on time. Like the timing is at 7:30 a.m. Right? The timing is 7:30 a.m. Okay, going forward, I will start the class, okay, by 7:35 a.m. These days these are very initial classes, like demo classes. That's why I'm giving some grace period time, some grace time of 10 to 15 minutes so that the people can join. Okay, so I request all of you guys, please join the class on time so that we can start it. The people who are joining the class on time, we cannot waste their times, right? We have to respect everyone's time. Correct or not? Is that clear? All right. So today we are going to see, where we are doing the labs. Okay, very important. See, I'll tell you how it is. See, in class, I'm going to cover all the concepts via labs only. 95% of my syllabus will be covered, okay, with labs only. My way of teaching is completely practical, guys. Completely practical. Okay, so in classes I'm going to teach all the concepts via labs only. So after the class, where do you have to do the lab, where you have to do the lab, how you have to do the lab, and all these things I'm going to explain. Fine. So see here now, guys, after the class completed, okay, after the class got completed, okay, so we are having class at 7:30, right? So we are having class at 7:30, 7:35 to quarter to 9, something like this, like 1 plus hour. After the class, you are having the whole day, or whenever you are having a time, you have to do the labs. So to do the labs, you have to create an account in portal.azure.com. Okay. To do the labs, you have to create an account in portal.azure.com. This one, portal.azure.com. This is one of the platforms. We call it as what? Cloud computing platform. This is cloud computing platform. And this cloud computing platform is offering us 200 plus resources and services. Listen carefully, guys. This cloud computing platform is offering us, okay, cloud computing platform is offering us 200 plus resources and services. Okay, 200 plus resources and services. You can call it as resources or services. This is one of the same thing. Resources or services, it is one of the same thing. So this cloud computing platform, okay, here we have to create an account. Here we have to create an account. Like how we are creating an account in Facebook, right? Are we getting an account in Facebook, in Instagram, in Twitter, in YouTube, etc.? How we are creating an account? Okay, what Facebook says? What Facebook says? Facebook says that, okay, I'm having my platform. Okay, I'm having my platform with a name called Facebook. Okay, I'm having my platform with a name called Facebook. If you want to use the features, features of Facebook is what? Features of Facebook is like, posting, commenting, right? Forwarding, poking, going live, going live, check in, check out, etc. All these are what? These are the features of Facebook platform. Features of Facebook platform, right? So I'm saying that Facebook is saying, if you want to use the features like this, then first you have to create an account in my platform. In my platform. Once you create an account in my platform, in Facebook platform, then you are okay, then you are allowed, then you are having full right to enjoy all the features of my platform. Correct or not, guys? Many of us is having account in Facebook. Same goes with Insta also. Insta. What Insta is saying, I am having my own platform. I am having lot of features in my platform. If you want to use all the features, then you have to create an account first in my platform. You have to create an account in my platform first. Then what all the features that Instagram is offering you, you can enjoy all the features. Same applies to Instagram also. Guys, am I making sense or not? Are you finding it difficult to understand? No. Why I'm relating this with social media platforms? Because we youngsters are very much addicted. Okay, we youngsters love to be spend time on social media and all. So it's very common. It's very expected that we can understand with this example. Same Twitter is having some features like going live is there, following is there, and sharing the tweet is there, commenting on the tweet. Lot of features that Twitter is also having. And Twitter also says the same thing. If you want to utilize all my features, if you want to enjoy my features, then you have to create an account in my platform and then start enjoying it. Okay, posting tweet, commenting on the tweet, forwarding the tweet. Okay, maybe poking is not there, forwarding is there, following. Okay, what we'll do in Twitter, what we'll do in Instagram, we'll follow the celebrities, VIPs, right? Bollywood, Tollywood actors, Hollywood actors, everyone is there. So many people are following, many people are having the followers. Okay, follow and unfollow. Okay, going live, check in, check out. All these are what the features of Twitter. These are the features of Instagram. These are the features of Facebook. So what every platform is saying, come to our portal, create an account. Once you create an account, then you are able to enjoy all the features what we are offering. In the same manner, cloud platform, cloud computing platform is also saying the same thing. What it is saying, cloud computing platform is saying, okay, come to my platform, okay, create an account. Okay, same like social media, create an account, same like social media. Okay, once you have created an account, then you are allowed to use all the resources and services, okay, to complete your work, to complete your day-to-day activities in office. Reading, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So I have made it relevant little bit with the example. Social media examples here. Okay. Insta, Facebook, and all. So now in this platform, social media, in this cloud computing platform, we can create an account with very different types. We can create an account of different types. Okay, how, what accounts we can create of different types? See, we can create an accounts of different types, like, we can create a free trial account. We can create a free trial account. We can create a pay as you go account. Okay, we can create what we can say it as developers account. We can create enterprise applications account, enterprise application account, etc. Many accounts we can create in this cloud computing platform. And guys, here remember, this cloud computing platform has got many names. Okay, some people will call it as cloud computing platform. Okay, cloud computing platform. Some people will call it as Azure Resource Manager. Some people will call it as Azure Console. Some people will call it as what I can say, just cloud platform. Okay, many names it has got. So don't be confused here, saying that we know only cloud computing platform. What is this Azure Console? What is this Azure Resource Manager? All these have got many names. This platform has got many names. Okay, some people will call it as cloud computing platform. Some people will call it as Azure Resource Manager. Some people will call it as Azure Console. Some people will call it as cloud platform, straightforward. Okay, many names it has got. Okay, so now in this cloud platform, we can create multiple different types of accounts. Free trial account, pay as you go account, developers, okay, subscription account, developer subscription, whatever it is, enterprise application account. Okay, now see here, free account. The name itself is telling free trial account. We can call it as Azure free trial account or Azure free trial subscription. Azure free trial subscription. It is one of the same thing. Free trial account or free trial subscription. One of the same thing. Pay as you go account or pay as you go subscription. One of the same thing. Okay. Developers account or developer subscription. Okay. One of the same thing. Okay. Next, enterprise application account or enterprise subscription. Enterprise subscription, I'll say rather. I'll say here enterprise subscription or enterprise account, whatever it is. Fine. So now free trial subscription or free trial account means the name itself is telling it is free. It is completely free. It is completely free. Okay. You are not paying even a single rupee here. Okay, single rupee here in the sense when you are creating an account, here in a free trial subscription. Okay, how to create an account, guys? Definitely I'll show. No need to worry. Everything I'll show. Just be regular to classes. That's it. That is what I am expecting from all of you. So now what is happening here, free trial account, when you are creating a free trial subscription or a free trial account, then what is happening here, you have to create this either with a credit card or a debit card. Any bank credit card or debit card will work out for you. Any bank debit card or credit card will work out for you, no worries. Okay, and when you are creating a free trial account, it will charge you some 2 rupees. How much it will charge you? Some 2 rupees. Okay, why it is taking this 2 rupees also? Why it is taking this 2 rupees? These 2 rupees it will take to ensure that the card details, the debit card, credit card details, that what you are passing is genuine, is correct or not. Your card is really active or not. You are really passing a genuine bank card details or not. To verify that, it will take some 2 rupees. And the amazing thing is that, this 2 rupees also, okay, this 2 rupees also, it will return back to your credit card in 7 to 8 business working days. Amazing, na? So that too also, it will return back. Who? It will means who? Microsoft. It will means who? Microsoft will return that also to you in 7 to 8 business working days. This 2 rupees also. And why it is detecting? Because people are very smart. People are doing very dangerous thing on internet. Scams. Okay. Making others fools. Looting others. That's why, in order to verify your credit card details and all, whether you are passing everything correct, yes, no, that's why it will deduct this 2 rupees, and that also it will return back to you. And now, how to create a free trial account, I'll show definitely, okay, in the upcoming classes. No need to worry. Okay. In free trial account, the only thing is that it will be valid. It will be valid for 1 month. Valid for 1 month. Okay, now let us say if you have created a free trial account on 25th of August. What is the date today? 25th of August. Okay, 25th of August we have created. Exactly on 25th of September, it will get expired automatically. It will get expired automatically. It will get expired. There is no need for you to do. It will not get auto renew also. It will not get a auto renew. No, it won't happen. Azure cloud computing is not a thief. He won't cheat with you. Automatically, it will renew and it will start giving you the bill. No, it won't do. Automatically, it will expire after 1 month. If you renew it with your own hands, then only after that, the next will start pay as you go subscription. Okay, if you upgrade this free trial account, then it will convert free trial account to pay as you go account. Okay, so now why I'm saying for you guys to hold on for some time to create an account in Azure cloud computing platform, because if you create it today, na, your countdown will get start, and our course is taking, more than 1.5 month, or let us take 1.5 month. Then for rest of the days after 25th of September, our our batch will go on. We are doing still a lot of labs. Then you won't be having any source to do the labs if your accounts get expired, because it is having a time validity of 1 month. That's why I'm waiting. I'm asking you to wait for some time. In the right time, definitely, I'll tell you when to create an account. You can create it. Meantime, what I'm saying, as it needs, okay, to create a free trial account, okay, to create a free trial account, okay, it needs a credit card or debit card for sure. Meantime, you arrange the credit cards and debit cards. Okay, like maybe we'll create the accounts after 3 4 days. Once we start the labs full-fledged, once we start the full-fledged labs, then I'll tell you. We are having still 3 4 days of time. I just want to create the accounts for you guys. Okay, after 3 4 days of time, so that your countdown will start from there. Let us take, if we have created an account on 30th of August, for an example, then it will get expired on 30th of September. That makes sense to us. That is what I'm trying to say here. So what I'm saying here, to create a free trial account, it needs credit card and debit card for sure. So meantime, arrange the cards. Meantime, arrange the cards. And I believe debit card, credit card, many of us is having, and this debit card should be from private bank, guys. Okay, SBA bank debit cards won't work. The debit cards works for HDFC, ICICI, okay, Kotak Mahindra, Kotak, Kotak Bank. We are having Kotak Bank, right? Like this private bank debit cards, it will work. And one more condition: this credit card, any credit card will work. Any bank credit card will work. No worries. But for debit card, when it comes to debit card, then we have to have private bank's debit card, and also the international banking should be on. Okay, on your debit card, the international transactions should be on. Then only your debit cards will work to create a free trial account. Okay, one more important thing here: this cloud computing platform or this Azure Resource Manager will accept a Visa card, MasterCard, and American Express card. It will accept only these three types of cards. Okay. If you are passing any other cards apart from this, any other cards apart from this, like, we are having what we can say, Millennia card, Millennia credit card. Okay. Or different types of credit cards we are having. If we put in Google, we are going to get hundreds of credit cards. Different. Today's we are having, in today's generation, we are having different types of credit cards. Okay, different types of credit cards in India. We'll get the list now. See, fuel credit card, contactless credit card. Okay, not this one. These are the different types I'm saying here, like, variety of different cards we'll get. Okay, Visa, Master, Millennia. See, students credit card is also there's lot of credit cards is there. SBI Gold, more credit card. Okay, so it will accept only three types of cards. Okay, Master, Visa, and American Express. That's it. All the rest of the cards, the platform, this cloud platform won't accept. I'm just giving you the knowledge, guys. This Millennia credit card, it won't accept. Okay, like this, we are having different types of cards, guys. I'm just telling these three are valid. This it will accept. Fine. Is that clear about a free trial account? This is all the free trial account. It's all about the free trial account. Now, what is pay as you go account? Pay as you go, the name itself is telling whatever you are creating the services, like, you are creating storage account, you are creating ADLS Gen2 storage account, you are creating a database. These are all called what? Services or resources. These are all called services or resources. So whatever you are creating, like Gen2 storage accounts, Cosmos DBs, MS SQL database, file share servers, okay, and variety of different files, Excel files, CSV files, this, that, blah, blah, in your cloud computing platform. Then for all those things, you have to pay the money. It is not for free. That's why I'm saying here, pay as you go. Pay, pay, you have to pay as you go. As you go means as you consume, as you create. It's this concept. Okay, this is similar. This is absolutely similar. Okay, like our electricity bill. How it is happening in electricity bill? Whatever electricity we have consumed will get the bill, right? Whatever electricity we have consumed will get the bill. Example, if I take example, okay, if we are, okay, in the month of, example, in the month of December, the month of December, Jan, right? And even in November also, November, December, Jan, Feb. These months, what we are doing, we are using only fans and tube lights, because these months are very cold in India. In India, these months are very cold. So we only use fans and tube lights. So if you are using 4 fans and 4 tube lights for an example, then how much electricity bill will get? Something 1500 rupees will get. Correct? Now, in the month of, if you take in the month of April, okay, April, May, June, and July also. Okay, not July. In July, we'll start the rains mostly. So in these 3 months, what we are using? We are using air conditioners everywhere, in every room. In every room, we are using air conditioner. In our living room also, we are using air conditioner. Okay, we are using air conditioners in bedroom, living room, right? Bedroom, living room, okay, and drawing room. What will happen here if you are using air conditioner everywhere? Do we get a bill of 1500 rupees? Nah, no, absolutely no. You will get an electricity bill of, okay, we'll get a electricity bill of 15,000 rupees, boss, because our consumption increased, electricity consumption increased these months. It's very hot in India, April, May, June. That's why we use air conditioner everywhere, in living room, in drawing rooms, in bedrooms. Okay. Apart from that, we also use other electrical appliances. We are using microwave oven. We are using iron. We are using fridge. So obviously, electricity consumption increased, and you will get the higher bill. Same concept apply here in pay as you go. Whatever you are creating. So like, you are creating the storage account here. See, this is the storage account. Okay. We are creating a storage account. You are creating SQL DB. This is our SQL database. You are creating SQL server. Okay. You are creating SQL server here. Okay. You are creating file share servers like this one. File share servers you are creating. You are creating, lot of different services. Then for everything you have to pay. You have to pay. Here it is not for free. Okay, developers subscription is also the same thing, but it is more relevant for developers who are doing the development. And enterprise subscriptions is what for the companies. Like, we are having companies. Like what companies we are having? We are having lot of big companies. Like, if you take example, we are having here Infosys, Techem, Cognizant, right? We are having many companies, NTT Data, we are having TCS, we are having What else? The list just goes on, guys. Okay, like we are having many big companies. So these are what? Enterprises. These are what? Enterprises. Very big companies. So these companies will get this enterprise subscription. If we want to take this enterprise subscription, Microsoft won't give us this subscription. Why? Because we are individuals. To take an enterprise subscription, there is certain standards that we have to meet, like you have to show that you are having, like some 50,000, 10,000, 40,000 people working in your company, and you are having, like some 40, 50 projects in Azure cloud computing. You have to say that these many projects are in progress. These are the subscriptions that already we are having. Like, there are many standards that you have to meet. When you meet all these standards, then Microsoft will give you this enterprise subscription. Okay, for ISO companies and all, will get this enterprise subscription, but you should be having some employees in your company. You have to submit your company licenses. You have to submit your project licenses. Many things comes into picture. Okay, so this is suitable for enterprises, like companies. This is suitable for developers, people who are doing the development and all. Okay, and this is suitable for anyone, pay as you go. Even we can create pay as you go subscription, but I never recommend to go for pay as you go subscription, because this will charge you, and it will take money. It will, you know cut money from your credit card, or you will get the bill in your credit card. Okay, at least in the initial stages when you are learning cloud computing, don't go for this subscription. Next, we are having free trial subscription. This is the most convenient, and this is the most flexible. Okay, most cheapest, not cheapest, completely free, I can say, that we can use for our training, learning, development purpose. Okay, and the one thing you have to keep in mind, guys, that this free trial subscription, okay, will be valid only for 1 month. And suppose, for an example, or after 1 month, if still you want to do the practice, then you have to create one more time a free trial subscription. You have to create a free trial subscription one more time. It will hardly take some 5 minutes, guys, to create a free trial subscription. How much time it is taking to create an account in Facebook? How much time it is taking to create an account in Instagram? Hardly it is taking some 5 to 10 minutes. Same applies here also. It will take just 5 to 10 minutes of time. That's it, not more than that. Not 10 minutes, 5 minutes only. Once you create an account, then you are having a free will. You are having a full options to, you know, start creating the resources that all valid, that are all valid for Azure data engineers. Now see, guys, this platform is giving us 200 plus resources and services. What I have said here, it is giving us a 200 plus resource and services. See, I'm saying here, cloud platform is offering 200 plus resources and services. So this 200 plus resources and services are not only for you. Okay, out of this 200, you are using maybe some 15 to 20 resources, or 30 to 40 resources, whatever belongs to your portfolio, Azure data engineers. Okay, this platform will be used by many people. This platform is used by Azure administrators. This platform is used by Azure DevOps engineers. This platform is used by Azure Cloud Solutions Architect. This platform is used by Azure Containers Application. This platform is used by Azure Database Engineers. Okay, many people are using this platform, but the resources means this: storage account, SQL database, virtual machines, SQL server, app services. These resources will vary portfolio to portfolio. So what is your portfolio? Your portfolio is an Azure data engineer. Then there are certain dedicated resources and services that Microsoft is designed in this platform for Azure data engineers. Only that services only you will work upon, you will learn. You are not going to learn Azure DevOps engineers resources and services. You are not going to learn Azure administrators resources and services. They will work on the resources and services. We are having many people working as data scientists. Data scientists is also working on this platform, but they are having their own different resources and services. Getting, I see, Azure cloud computing is a very big ocean, guys. Azure cloud computing is a very big ocean. Okay, it's a very big ocean. very big ocean. Okay, so now in this, I'll make you understand with the help of a diagram. Is there any people working here, like working professionals, or all are freshers only? Can I get the responses from the working professionals? Yes, no? Ramakrishna, you are working. Okay. Who else is working here? Okay. Divakar, 6 years, 4 years. Okay. Okay, fine. So some people are working professionals here. Okay. Divakar is working in TCS. Okay. Okay, good. Many responses I'm getting as working professionals. So it will be easy for you guys to understand. Okay. Or maybe you know all the basic things what I'm explaining. Please cooperate with me because we are having audience of different backgrounds. We are having absolute freshers. We are having people from non-IT backgrounds. We are having people from BCom commerce background. So for them also we have to take care of, guys. So please cooperate. Okay, good. Infosys, fine, nice, very nice. Okay, all right. So now, see, I'll tell you, this is our Azure cloud computing platform. This one is our Azure cloud computing platform. Okay, Azure cloud computing platform. This one, the big one. Okay, this is our Azure cloud computing platform. This big circle. Okay, now in this Azure cloud computing platform, we are having multiple portfolios that people are working upon. Okay, okay. So this is okay. This is DevOps. Okay, this is Azure data engineers. Okay, this is Azure admin. This is okay, Azure database engineers. Okay, this is containerization. Okay, containerization engineers. Okay, containerization engineers means the people who are working on Kubernetes, Docker. Okay, containerization. Okay, so these are all what different portfolios. Okay, this one you can take it as solutions architect. Solution architect. Okay, these are all the different portfolios we are having in Azure cloud computing platform. Now you are learning Azure data engineer. So for Azure data engineer, there is a dedicated resources and services that we are having. So Azure data engineers will work on that only. DevOps having some dedicated resources and services, they will work on that only. Admins, Azure admin, same. Containerization engineers. Okay, we are having Docker container registry, Docker container instances, Docker Swarm, Kubernetes services. Okay, clusters, Kubernetes clusters, and all they will work on this. Azure database engineers, they will work on creating the databases, deploying the databases, maintaining the databases, scheduling the backups restores for the databases. Okay, taking on-demand databases, doing automations, lot of things they will do. Solutions architect, they will design the blueprints. Okay, they will design the solutions for the upcoming applications in the cloud computing platform. So like this, we are having multiple portfolios in cloud computing, guys. Okay, see, when we are making a movie, okay, let us take any movie, Telugu movie or Hindi movie, whatever it is. What we are having different portfolios. Production is separate department. Okay, directing is another department. Okay, we are having maybe two, three directors, or depends. Okay, then we are having casting is another department. Okay, they will take care of all the actor actresses who are going to act in that field. They will decide, casting managers and all. Next we are having what we can say, event management and all. When the entire unit of the movie, like producer, director, actors, will go to somewhere, London, Europe, to shoot the movie. So this event management department will take care of all the things, where the crew is going to stay, in which hotel. They will arrange the food for them, they will arrange the necessary needed things for them. That is called, separate department, separate portfolio as a enterprise, sorry, event management. So like this, we are having different department, guys, in a movie or anywhere you take. So in engineering colleges, if you take, we are having electrical separate department, civil separate department, electronics separate department, computer science separate department. Like this, we are having separate departments and portfolios in Azure cloud computing. So in that, you are learning Azure data engineering. You are learning Azure data engineering. Am I making sense or not, guys? Is that easy to understand what I'm trying to say? Yes, no? This is what I'm trying to say here. So meanwhile, what I'll say, just arrange your credit and debit cards, then I'll show you after some days, once we start the practicals. These are all fundamental things that I'm going through. Okay, fine. Next, I'll show you here what are the softwares we are going to use for this course. See, firstly, we are using portal.azure.com. This one, this is the most important platform that we should be having. Okay, we should be having an access, means we should be having an account in this one, portal.azure.com. Next, we are going to use, okay, Azure AZ copy software. Then next, we are going to use Azure Storage Explorer. Okay, next we are going to use what we can say, Azure DevOps. Next, we are going to use Azure DevOps platform. Okay, same like portal.azure.com, how we are having a platform. This is also one platform. I'll show how to use this platform and all. Next, we are going to use GitHub. GitHub we are going to use, and after that we are going to use Azure Data Factory. Next, we are going to use Azure Databricks. Okay, next we are going to use SQL Server, SQL Database, okay, etc. All these are the softwares we are going to use here. And all these softwares I'll make you use for free. No need for you to pay any money. I'll give you all these softwares. And one more we have to use, we are going to use Azure Azure Database Migration Assistant. Azure Database Migration Assistant to do the migrations. I'm going to show you the migrations also. That also we are going to use. So these are all these softwares platforms that we are going to use, and many are there, I believe. I'm not sure. It's not coming into my head right now. Whatever it is coming, definitely I'll show you on that time. You can install and you can do the practice in your labs, in your laptops, and all are free, guys. All are free. Trust me, all are free here. Okay, there is no need for you to give a single penny here. Okay, sir, my small question is, this same data engineer and Azure data engineer, or require some other skills for data engineers? No need that you should be having a skill or any prerequisite for Azure data engineer. Everything we are starting from scratch. The only thing we need is you should be regular to classes, and you should be having punctuality. All the labs, whatever I'm going to show, if you do that, then that is sufficient for you, guys, I'm telling. Okay, is that clear? Yes, you can install and work this on MacBook also if you want, Pranil. Okay, so mostly people will use Windows. If you're having a MacBook, no problem. Okay, so these all softwares is needed, guys. I'll explain, I'll show you, I'll give you all these softwares via Google Classroom link or Google Drive link. You can install and you can do the practice. I'm myself is using all these softwares in the labs, in the classes. Is that clear? Am I making sense or not? Okay. So after using these softwares, after having these softwares, we can go ahead and we can start creating the resources here. So what I'll do, guys, I'll show you the syllabus, this one also, the study material also. Let me show you the study material as well. Okay. See, this is our Azure Data Engineer study material here. See, I'll give you the study material to all and each and every one of you. Azure Data Engineer study material. Okay. So we are having this material, different cloud models, cloud deployment models. What is public cloud? What is private cloud? What is hybrid cloud? Advantages of cloud computing. Okay. And different cloud services we are having like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, what are all this, and then we are having what is Microsoft Azure, advantages of Azure cloud computing. Okay. Azure resources. This is the complete material. This material you are going to get. Okay, and we are covering all the labs from this material only. From this material only. See, this material is very big actually. See, very huge. Many concepts are there. Okay, that we are going to cover. See, Azure Data Factory basics is there. Relationship between ADF components, Azure Data Factory components. Okay, and how it is getting controlled by Azure cloud computing platform, activities in ADF, building blocks of Azure Data Factory, pipelines in Azure Data Factory. Many things are there. Integration runtime, okay, copy and transferring of the data, okay. All these things, guys, are subscriptions, okay, cloud architecture, cloud computing architecture, okay. All these many things I'm going to explain in the upcoming classes, okay. Key points on Azure Data Engineering, okay, implementation steps, all these things that I'm having it here. Provisioning of SQL databases in Azure, how to we can provision, how we can access many things. What all I have shown in my syllabus, that all I'm covering here with this material. Okay, see, this material is very big. I'll just share this complete material with all of you guys. No need to worry. Okay, all these are the labs with steps. Each and every step I have mentioned. See, some labs are very big. See, we are having 14, 15. Okay, see, this is the coding that we are going to learn. Okay, see all these steps that I have written for all of you guys. Very nice material, guys. Each and every line I have written here on my own. I'll definitely explain all these things. See, step 16, step 17. Okay, like this we are having it. I'll just give this material to all of you guys. Okay, whenever the time comes in. Fine. No, simple SQL is fine. MS SQL is fine. MS SQL is fine, not PL SQL. Okay. Yes, correct. You are Rajesh, you are correct. What all the softwares I have shown you, all these softwares you have to install in your laptop or desktop, wherever you are practicing. Okay, to do the labs. Most of the labs we can do in our cloud computing platform. Here in this cloud computing platform. Okay. But still, apart from this, we need some other softwares. Okay, that I have shown you guys. And at the time of the labs, I'll show you. I'll give you these softwares. You can go ahead and you can install in your laptops. Is that clear? Am I making sense? What is this, Vinod? Just now I have told, right? These are the softwares that is needed for this course. What is you are asking is, do we require softwares again? What does it mean? From 10 minutes, I'm telling you many softwares are needed. I have given. No, you need Azure portal also, we know. And apart from Azure portal, you need softwares also. That is what I am telling you. Na? See here what I have mentioned. Okay, listen. We need the portal for sure. Apart from portal, we need all these softwares also to do all the labs. Suppose for an example, if I am showing you 200 labs, example, I'm showing you 200 labs. Okay. Now, if you are having account only in Azure portal, then you can do only 100 labs. Rest of the labs you cannot do because you are not having the softwares. These are all needed. That's why I'm saying here, to do all the labs, you need all these softwares apart from portal as well. Getting? Am I clear to you now? Kumar, Vinod Kumar. Sir, last day I have given internal evaluation for another client, so they needed API automation testing using Python. So what should I do? Okay, API automation testing using Python. Python where they are using in Azure Databricks, they have used Python where? Because in Azure Data Factory, we don't use Python. Okay, we can use Python scripting in Azure Databricks. Okay, so I'm not sure where they are using this Python here. Okay, API automations, yes, we can use an APIs. Okay, in our, I think it is Azure Databricks only that they are talking about. Yes, yeah, APIs we are using in Azure Databricks to fetch the information from the underlying resources. Okay, so we can write the Python script, we can write Scala script, we can call the APIs directly. Okay, I'll just show it to you guys. And automations also we can do in Azure Data Factory and all. Okay, Vinod, what is your question? All these softwares will be available in cloud? No, these softwares will not be available in the cloud. I'll give you these softwares libraries, these softwares DLLs. You can take the softwares DLL and then you can install in your laptop. I will provide it to you. No worries. Okay. System configuration that you need 8 GB RAM, 2 virtual CPUs is fine. 8 GB RAM, 2 virtual CPU, and if you are having some 500 GB of disk, that is more than enough. No, Sandbox subscription is not there as such, Naga. Sandbox subscription that you will get it in your organizations, in your companies. We are having a free trial subscription, straightforward, and that you can use as Sandbox only. You can use for anything what you want. Free trial subscription is straightforward that we can do any type of lab in free trial subscription. No need to worry. There is no limitation for you. You cannot do these labs in free trial. You cannot do that labs. Okay. So you can do all the labs in free trial subscription, what all we are covering. At least 90% of the labs you can do in free trial subscriptions only. No need to worry. Is that clear, Naga? Okay, guys. Any other questions from anyone else? Okay. See, guys, our admin Shubham has dropped the previous recording videos here from day before yesterday and yesterday. Okay, thank you so much, Shubham. Shubham has dropped his contact number also, guys, regarding the fee payments and all this stuff. Please check with Shubham. This is Shubham contact number. Please WhatsApp him. Okay, he'll provide you the necessary details and all. Eagerly waiting for classes. Okay, good, very nice. This excitement should be there, guys, in each and every one of you. Trust me, this excitement should be there. Thank you, Mahesh. What about others, guys? Any other questions? Anyone else before I close the class for today? We know when you say Azure Data Factory, Azure refers to cloud. I didn't get your question. Azure Data Factory is part of Azure Cloud Computing. We know Azure Data Factory is part of Azure Cloud Computing only. Azure Data Factory, you will get it in Azure portal. See here, if you come, this is our Azure portal. Okay, if you type here data factory, okay, see, you are getting the data factories here. See, data factory. When you click on it, it will navigate you to a data factory page, and then you click on create and you create a new Azure data factory. Okay, it's an inbuilt service that you are having in Azure cloud portal itself only. Is that clear, Vinod? Hold on. See, as the time goes on, when I'll explain now, many things comes into picture and many things will get clear also to all of you guys. Is that clear? Save, the batch already started. The batch already started. We are just doing with demo classes. This classes is also important. It's nothing as such. The batch started on 23rd of August only. Okay. No, Azure Data Factory is part of Azure Cloud Computing Platform only, Vinod. Okay, fine. In order to work with Azure Data Factory, you have to have MS Office in your laptop, where you need Excel, you need .csv, okay, you need JSON files and all. For that reason, softwares are needed. Okay. Pranil started all classes already started, ma. We started the classes from 23rd of August. Okay. Yeah, Naga, very good question. Tomorrow we are having a class. Tomorrow is Saturday. We are having a class tomorrow. Okay, same time, 7:30 a.m. Okay. So we'll get connected tomorrow also. Sunday we are having a holiday. Okay. So yes, tomorrow we are having a class. Thank you, Naga, for reminding this for everyone. Tomorrow, please join, guys, 7:30 a.m. same time. Okay. So all right, am I good to close the class now? Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. I love to answer all your questions, all your concerns. Okay. Still many days to go. No worries. Okay. We'll keep in touch. We'll discuss lot of concepts. Okay. Lot of doubts, lot of questions also I'm expecting from each and every one of you. Ask me the questions, guys, whatever the questions, doubts you are having. Some things which will be get cleared automatically, okay, with the knowledge. Okay. The agenda for tomorrow's class would be, we are going to start from the material. From this material, this is the material for us. We are going to start from the material in tomorrow's class. Right? Tomorrow, we'll start it from here. Okay. Then slowly we'll proceed for the labs. Okay. All right, guys. Refer the previous recordings. Okay. This is the recording links that we have dropped for all of you. Okay. Please take this number. Shubham is our admin. Okay. If you're having any doubts, anything, you can check with our admin. This is the number. This is the previous recording videos we are having. And in tomorrow's class, you will get today's class recording also. Okay. And material, all the things I'll share once we lock the batch. Once we lock the batch. Okay. All right. Thank you, guys. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day ahead. Take care.